Hi Tubi family, I ate so much food in New York City. I can't wait to share my experience with you guys. I went all over New York to eat as much as I can. If you love to eat, give this vlog a thumbs up. Let's get started. I love fall in New York City. The falling leaves are breathtaking. Walking around the park and taking in the beautiful scenery is very relaxing when you are in a fast-paced environment. It gives you a chance to walk away from all the problems and just breathe and relax. I'm on my way to the farmer's market. It's only open Thursday and Sundays from 9 to 4. It's a super small market, but it has all the essentials you'll need. I came especially for Hawthrone Valley's Biodynamic farm stall. Biodynamic farming is pretty much like taking non-GMO and USDA standards to the next level. Our agriculture shouldn't be about mass production. We need to move towards a sustainable practice where we look at agriculture as one ecosystem, working together as a self-contained, self-sustaining organism. I love to support companies that are moving us towards a better future. You can taste the sweetness and freshness from the vegetable compared to the supermarket mass-produced products. She was nice enough to let us try every cheese they have to offer. I wish I could buy them all.
Texture is like crab meat.
Oh wow.
Pulled apart, sauteed in the butter is the best way I like to make it.
I want that one.
Yeah, I'll get that one.
At the time I bought it, I didn't realize how magical these mushrooms is. It's said to protect against cancer, enhances brain function, reduces inflammation, improves digestive health, and more.
It's new from the Cornell breeding program. Keeps longer than most other ones.
Who wants to eat boring old Granny Smith apples when you can get NY number 1229, aka a Frankenstein apple? Although they are grown by Sam Scott's orchard, it is an experiment by the New York State Agricultural Experiment Station in conjunction with Cornell University. I must say, these were the best apples I've ever had. Usually the skin of apples irritates my teeth, but these did not. They were so sweet and juicy, I can't believe just how good they were. Yay, 2 mutant apples! They have people teach and give you healthy cooking ideas from ingredients found at the farmer's market. Kale and cranberry and apple cider sounds so good and super easy to make. What? Dandelion in New York? I happened to be there during their pop-up shop event. I can't pass up the opportunity to stock up on more chocolate. It was packed in there. By the time I got to the front, they were out of almost everything. I guess it's time they open a new store in New York. I had to get my favorite chocolate, S'mores. I also got the Dulce de Leche bar. It was my first time trying it, and I have to say I'm glad I did. It was so good. There was way too many people inside, so we had to eat outside in the cold. I couldn't film at the same time. Sorry guys. Can't leave New York City without eating xi'an's famous food. It's famous. It says so in its name. But seriously, this place is to die for. I loved it so much, I believe I ate here 4 times before I left. It's my favorite food when I am in New York. I'm so excited. So angry. This place is my favorite place. I always crave it when I get home back in California. I wish there was something like this now. Yeah, I do that. If you're listening to xi'an, open a store in California, I'll definitely be there. They are making the noodles fresh with human power. These noodles are called bang bang noodles because of the noise they make while making them. They have to hit the noodles against a hard surface to get the right texture. The texture of these noodles are so much better than ramen noodles. They have a chewy and soft texture depending on which part of the noodle you are biting into. This is paired with their secret spicy sauce that has over 20 ingredients.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy.
Noodle is just perfect, cute. The oxtail, the sugar soft powder, is just perfect. So you have, I mean must eat this right away while it is fresh, or else the noodles will get soggy. This is the first time I will be drinking some eggnog. I never had it before. Yes, apparently my friends think that is really weird. and I have not experienced Christmas if I haven't had any eggnog. It's grass-fed. I'm a happy cow. Alright, let's give this a try. It's good. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. It's not. It tastes like condensed milk.
Condensed milk. I mean, that's pretty sweet, but
like a watered down condensed milk.
It's a really good description.
I feel like, yeah, should spike it.
You can spike it for sure.
It's good. What is in it? Sugar, egg yolk. It has nutmeg, salt, turmeric. Oh, they use turmeric for the color. Why does eggnog have a color?
It always looks kind of yellowish.
Then what does other eggnog put as a color?
Yellow number 5.
Yeah, yellow number 5.
Yeah, it's not too sweet. Because my friend was really afraid that it will be too sweet for me because I don't eat or drink anything overly sweetened. But this one's good. Yay to eggnog. I'm always amazed at the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. I didn't know New York had its own arc here too. This one is actually modeled after the one in Paris. The Paris one was modeled after Arch of Titus in Rome. It was built in 1889 and in 1918 2 statues of Washington was added. Watching Miss Maisel, a very good show on Amazon by the way, showed that they wanted to build a road through the arch. That would have been a shame. I am glad people protested and kept the park the way it is. Around Chinatown, there is so much cheap, yummy food to eat. You can just walk around anywhere, and here are some places that I stopped by to eat, and they were pretty good. Super cheap. This place always has a long line. It's good and cheap. I got a large plate with 2 items for $6. I got duck and roasted pork with rice. The large was enough for my husband and I to share. I had better plates like this before, but for the price and the amount of food you get, it can't be beat. Also, ask for more meat juice over your rice. Next stop, some barbecue pork buns. This place doesn't have good reviews on Yelp, but their barbecue pork buns were good and cheap enough to ignore the bad reviews. I didn't try anything else but the bun. For $1.25, what more can you ask for? I have here the chashu bao, typey hot. The bread is sweet and inside pasta. I didn't get into the chashu yet, so I gotta take another bite. My bite's too small. Oh, hot. It's good. Nothing special though. I thought there would be a lot more chashu inside. In between eating delicious food and visiting different restaurants, I walked around and got to enjoy the beautiful city. I've traveled around other countries to admire their architecture, but I realized I haven't stopped and looked at the architecture in my own country. I'm glad I was able to slow down and look at what America has to offer. I want that I really don't understand the hype of this place. Their matcha crepe was good, but the cream got too rich towards the end. Their drink was not good. I got the matcha latte and there wasn't much matcha taste to it. Tasted like something I could make at home. This place has the best xiaolong bao in all of America. Step aside Ding Tai Fung, Joe's Shanghai has the superior soup dumpling. This is so big and when we fit in the spoon, look at this, it doesn't even break apart. The skin is really good. The texture of the skin is perfect. And I bite a little hole on the top so that I can get all the heat out first. This is worth the hype. It's really, really good. I would even say it's better than Ding Tai Fung.
I would say a soup is more flavorful, richer, deeper, and more complex than Din Tai Fung.
Yeah, the soup, the sides, the fries, everything is better than Din Tai Fung. Like 10 bowls. The meat is hearty. Look, like the meat is huge. Look at the huge piece of meat. I didn't go to the bakery myself. My friend picked some up for me to try. I added it in this vlog because the cheesecake was so good. It was the best cheesecake I have ever had. When in New York, you must eat New York cheesecake. Sylvias has been featured in Man vs. Food. Lots of celebrities have dined here before. If it's good enough for Nelson Mandela, Bill Clinton, Magic Johnson, and Obama, then it's good enough for me. Too bad I didn't get to see any celebrities while dining there. The service was extremely friendly, especially since we went right before they were closing. If you want some soul food, this place is worth a visit. Khadi Row is like Indian fast food. It's super easy to grab and go. My favorite thing here is their mango lassi. I always swing by this place to get my lassi fix. They have a lot of different locations around town. They even have a location in London.
Fresh in here, so I'm really hot. But I got here in time right before they close. My favorite mango of all time. I have a vegetarian one with the potatoes.
This one's me.
Try this out.
What's the lassi? Is this the one you opened?
Vegetarian is pretty good.
I wish they sold these everywhere.
Here's the meat one.
Go.
The goat. Goat one. Super flavorful. The outside is kind of like, green onion pancake. My favorite fast food place. Because they open much later, but guess not. They close at 11. The perfect thing to just grab to go because it is in like a really cute container.
First of all, I'm not a huge cookie person. Come on, how good can cookies really be? I had to stop there because my family wanted me to bring some back for them. I went and I totally regret not buying more cookies. My favorite flavor was oatmeal and raisin. My second choice would be the dark chocolate peanut butter chip. These cookies changed my views on cookies forever. They are that good. Alright, down to my final meal in New York. I'm traveling down to Bronx to get some Italian food. This place was packed. We were super lucky to get a table without reservations. The food was really good and the service was really friendly. We ordered everything family style and the server was nice enough to split everything in separate plates for us. Most of what we ordered was off the specials menu since he did such a good job describing and selling them. Looking back on my trip, I came and saw so many different trains. That was a fun new experience and met Santa for the first time in my adult life. Even their street light shows was just as magical as Disneyland. Go check out those vlogs. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe so you don't miss anything. I'll vlog you next time. Bye!